Now I am discuss about Nasirnagar Upazila. Nasirnagar Upazila is in Brahmanbaria District with area 311.66 square kilometer. It is bounded by lakhai and Austagram Upazila on the north and Sarail and Brahmanbaria Sadar Upazila on the south, Madhabpur Upazila on the east, Bajitpur and Austagram Upazila on the west. Population of Brahmanbaria District 2,55,668. Notable person in Nasirnagar Upazila: Abdur Rasool, British Indian politician and lawyer; S.M. Sharif Mahmud, politician and member of the Sixth National Assembly; Nawab Syed Shamsul Huda, British Indian Muslim political leader; Badruddoza Mohammad; Farhad Hossain, politician and member of the 11th Parliament; Mozammel Haque, heroic freedom fighter, politician and member of the Third and Fourth National Assembly; Mohammad Chayedul, politician, lawyer and member of the Seventh, Eighth, Ninth and Tenth National Assembly and former Ministry of Fisheries and Livestock of the Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. Syed Murshid Kamal, politician, organizer of the Liberation War and member of the Fifth Parliament. Places of interest: Gokurno Embankment, Charkuri Berry Bath, Nurpur Sahibari Jame Masjid, Nurpur Sahibari Mazar Sharif, Kamaria Park, Sri Sri Anandamoyi Kali Temple, Fandao, Kechua Darbar Sharif, Gokurno Nawab House, Jaykumar Jomidar House, Nasirnagar Jagannath Temple, Fandao ISKCON Temple, Medir Haur Mini Coxbazaar, Shrine of Syed Nasirul Haq Museum, Shrine of Syed M. Ali, Horipur, Borobari. That's all for the time being. I will present with important topics in front of you. Till then, Allah Hafiz.